Welcome to my channel Next Hustle.
Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and realizing that you made money while you were sleeping. Astonished face. That's the magic of passive income, earning without trading hours for dollars. In 2024, opportunities to create passive income are bigger and better than ever before. From online businesses to smart investments, there are dozens of ways you can build income streams that run in the background and give you freedom. In this video, we'll cover the best passive income ideas for 2024 that could truly change your life. Whether you are a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or someone looking to escape the rat race, these strategies will show you how to earn more while working less. Understanding passive income. Before we dive into the ideas, let's make something clear: passive income isn't 100% passive. In most cases, you'll need some upfront work, investment, or time before it becomes self-sustaining. Think of it like planting a tree-shedding tree. You water it, protect it, and nurture it in the beginning. But once it grows, it gives you shade and fruit for years to come. That's exactly how passive income works. You put in effort today to reap benefits tomorrow. Digital passive income ideas. PC. 1. Start a YouTube channel. Faceless or personal, YouTube is still one of the most powerful ways to earn in 2024. Once your videos start ranking and gaining views, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links can bring you consistent income. The beauty is, you can even run a faceless channel using stock footage, AI voiceovers, or simple tutorials. Books. 2. Sell digital products, e-books, templates, courses. Digital products have zero inventory and can be sold globally. Imagine creating an e-book once and selling it thousands of times. Or launching a course that teaches a skill people need: coding, design, personal finance. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or your own website make it simple to scale. Camera with Flash. 3. Stock photography and AMP videos. If you're creative, platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock will pay you every time someone downloads your photo or video. With businesses needing content daily, this market keeps growing in 2024. Shopping cart. 4. Print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand lets you sell t-shirts, mugs, and merchandise without holding inventory. You upload designs, and companies handle printing and shipping. Every sale brings you passive profit. Investment-based passive income ideas. Bank. 5. Dividend stocks. Dividend-paying companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders. By investing in reliable dividend stocks, you get quarterly payouts without lifting a finger. Over time, this becomes a snowball of compounding wealth. Home. 6. Real estate investments. Real estate remains a classic. Whether through rental properties, Airbnb, or real estate investment trusts, REITs, you can generate steady monthly income. In 2024, fractional ownership platforms even let you invest in real estate with smaller amounts. Bar graph. 7. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper or Lending Club allow you to lend money online and earn interest. Essentially, you act as the bank, earning from borrowers. Credit card. 8. High-yield savings accounts and AMP bonds. This is the safest option, not huge returns, but consistent and guaranteed. Perfect for those who want hands-off income with minimal risk. Business and AMP, side hustle passive income ideas. Globe. 9. Affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products online, you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Blogs, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram make this easy. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank are great starting points. Cell phone. 10. Mobile apps and AMP software. If you can develop or outsource development, apps and software can generate incredible passive income. Think about it: every subscription, every download, brings recurring revenue. Studio microphone. 11. Podcasting with sponsorships. Podcasts are booming. Once your show grows, sponsors will pay you per episode, and your content can continue making money long after it's published. Creative passive income ideas for 2024 Musical Note 12. Music royalties. Musicians can upload tracks to Spotify, iTunes, or even stock music sites, earning royalties forever. Even AI-assisted music creation is opening new doors. Writing Hand 13. Licensing your work. Writers, artists, and creators can license their content to companies, media outlets, or brands. Every time it's used, you earn a royalty. Open Book 14. Self-publishing on Amazon, KDP. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing lets you publish books without a traditional publisher. Write once, earn for years. Building multiple streams. The most powerful thing about passive income is diversification. Relying on just one stream is risky. But imagine having dividends from stocks, dollar note rental income from real estate, home affiliate sales from your blog, Globe, YouTube ad revenue, Clapperboard. Now your income doesn't depend on one job, boss, or market. Mistakes to avoid. Warning 1. Expecting overnight riches. Passive income takes time. Don't quit too early. Warning 2. Not reinventing. Markets change. Keep updating your strategies. Warning 3. Putting all eggs in one basket. Diversify your streams for safety. Warning 4. Ignoring taxes and legal work. Always plan your finances properly. The mindset shift. Passive income is more than money. It's about freedom. It's about working smarter, not harder. The real goal isn't just to make money while you sleep. It's to reclaim your time, travel more, spend with family, and live life on your own terms. When you start building passive income in 2024, you're not just earning, you are designing your future. So, which of these passive income ideas will you start with in 2024? Remember, the earlier you begin, the sooner your money tree starts growing. Shedding tree. Right finger. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because in future videos, we'll dive deeper into each strategy step by step. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Rock it.
Thanks for watching video, subscribe channel, like, share with friends.